Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to check your iOS version on your iPhone. First you have to head to the settings app, open it, then swipe up, click on general. After clicking on general, go to the about section on the top of the settings. Click on it and as you can see, here's your list of options about your phone. Here's the list of info about your phone. Click on this iOS version and as you can see here it shows me the version of my iOS on which my phone is currently running. As you can see here it says iOS 17.4. If there is an update available, also it shows under this learn more tab and you can download and install the update. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe this video. Please like and subscribe the channel and see you guys next time.